YouTube channel. You may know me as J Diana, and this is our how to go from curly to straight video. How I straighten my hair. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, don't forget to subscribe and give me comments below as you watch the video. Okay guys, so let's get started. Normally I like to, just divide my hair into proportionate sections. Normally I do 6 to 8 little knots all over my head, but we're gonna keep it simple for this video because I don't want to complicate people. So as you can see already, I have my hair split into 2 sides, and what we're going to do is just make 2 pigtails, turn them into blue buns, per usual. So, and I'm just using these basic scrunchies, nothing too crazy. These hair clips, whatever makes you feel comfortable. My first strand, and so basically I stopped because I wanted to demonstrate 2 things, which is normally we want to make sure that you keep the blower so this far away. I've noticed that some people like to put the blower on the brush, and brush to the blow dry. I see this a lot. You don't want to do this. You're gonna burn your hair. Please, ladies, let's not do this. You want to keep your brush at a certain distance when you blow dry your hair. So. I just want to remind you guys that when you are blow drying your hair, you do want to focus on the root of the hair as much as later doing the ends, because the root is what normally it creates all the puffiness. You want to make sure you get that stretch out, and you're really drying it, especially if you have curly hair. You want to focus on the root and then leave the ends for last. The ends always tame, So yeah, so let's continue. So we're gonna take out the piece that I had started with. I had already sprayed this part, so we're just gonna spray one more time. So fast forward, I already did the rest of the sides, both sides, and I just left this part to continue to demonstrate. So here we go. So this is the front of the portion here. So let's get started. I normally like to, we had it split in half. The reason I leave this portion out is because this is basically your style, depending on if you flip it to the left, if you flip it to the right. I said that wrong. If you flip it to the left, you flip it to the right. So basically, it depends on which side you want it. You want a part of the middle, or just the whole thing back. So normally, what I do is when I can't decide, because I like to just flip however my hair is. just end up pouring back in. I like to retouch the edges, the bottom, because you do sweat when you know put your hair. So I like to go back in to the bottom, the edges, just kind of give it a feel. This is the finishing touch. The back view and the view. That's it, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments, leave your opinion, questions, suggestions, anything you want me to go by. If you would like to see another video, targeting something else,